Although I personally do not mind the scruffy and grimy look of a beat-down classic shoes, it's always nice to give my regular day beaters some cleaning once in a while. These are my Reebok Classics Club C85, and as you can tell, they've been through all types of terrain and are in need of some TLC. For this cleanup, you'll need a soft towel, a soft bristle brush, a more firmer bristle brush, some Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner. I prefer to use Jason Mark since it does not contain any harsh chemical and works well on all materials. Some premium white sneaker shoe care, a Crepe Protect spray, and some good leather cream to top it all off. Begin by preparing some warm water and start removing the shoelaces. Removing the shoelaces will allow us to clean them separately and give us more access to all parts of the shoes. Once complete, place the shoelaces in the warm water and add some Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner. Put this aside and allow it to soak. By using your firmer brush, start brushing the shoes all round. This will allow us to remove any grime on the surface of the shoes and ensure that we do not actually spread the dirt when we're deep cleaning it. Next, place some warm water in a clean bowl, and by using your towel, dampen it and start wiping off any dirt on the shoe. Once done, place your soft brush in warm water and apply the Jason Mark cleaner. Shake off the excess and begin by scrubbing the outer and mid-soles of the shoes. These are usually the dirtiest and hardest part, so I'd recommend to apply more pressure on these areas. As you continue cleaning the shoes, regularly wipe down any of the excess foam caused by the cleaner. Apply a lower amount of pressure on other areas of the shoe and try to move in a single direction. Once you're complete, give your shoe one final wipe down and repeat the process for the other pair. Once you've completed both pairs, bring back the shoelaces and start by agitating it for a minute or so. Pour clean water in a bowl and transfer the shoelaces. This will remove any dirt on the surface of the shoelace. Give your laces one final squeeze and allow them to dry. Apply an even amount of the sneaker white shoe care all around the shoes. Make sure to only apply this on the white areas of the shoes. Don't be afraid to use an excess to hide any of these scuffs. Once complete, allow the shoes and laces to air dry before moving on to the next step. Once your shoes have completely dried, it's now time to apply the leather cream. Apply some leather cream onto your fingers and lather it at different spots of the shoes. Applying leather cream will nourish and strengthen the leather fibers with an option to polish it. Once your laces are dried, before moving on to the final step, relace your shoes. Finish off the TLC with some light spritz of Crepe Protect all around the shoes. This is how I try to keep my beater shoes clean all year round. I hope you enjoyed and got some useful tips from the video.